Hi everybody, Brian over at Field Van. Today we are doing a tour of our Canyon Series C3 plan. This is built on a Transit all-wheel drive, 148-inch wheelbase extended model van, so the largest van that Ford makes. This van is interchangeable with the Mercedes 170-inch wheelbase as well, so it can be built in both vehicles. One thing we like to talk about too is who is this plan for? In this instance, it's two people, retired couple who are traveling. It's just the two of them. But you notice behind me, they also have some additional seating. So there are some removable smart seats in this that can be taken out of the track. There's a third track there too, we'll show you in a little bit. So you can do up to 3 seats in this as well. So if they do want to take their kids, additional passengers, grandchildren in this case, you can take some more people with you. So above the seats here, you see we have the controls for our systems. So this has 720 amp hours of lithium battery power. It does have a 12 volt Pro Air electrical roof AC. You got 6 hours of continuous AC use, which is usually more than enough to go through a night because the AC will kick on and off throughout the night. We also have our solar controller and 200 watts of solar on this. We have our L-Well system, Timberline, which is our hot water heater and furnace using gasoline from the fuel tank. This is the EcoBoost engine, so gasoline engine in this van. We have some storage on the side, some pockets there, which are good to just stash your iPads and phones and charging devices. We have our Lagoon table right there by the seats, which is removable, but also adjusts up and down, can be brought into your lap, used as a workstation, or used for those 4 seats as a seating area for up to 4 people there. And on the driver's side, you'll see we have the full-size wet bath. This particular one has a marine toilet, which is a built-in toilet with a built-in black water tank that you need to go to an RV dump site in order to empty the waste. On the passenger side, you have tons of storage in this. Drawers, cabinets, nice sink. In this particular plan in the back, they did put a cabinet that goes into the storage area under the bed, just for some additional cabinet storage. We're gonna have a tall cabinet that houses our microwave. We also have the refrigerator. It's an isotherm 115 in this van, although it can accommodate several different styles of refrigerators, so we can pick and choose what we want there. Below that's gonna be some big drawers for storage. Okay, so you notice on the smart seats here, we have 2 seats in on the 2 different tracks. In this van, we also have a 3rd track here. This is a really nice setup. So when we take this carpet out, we can move those seats around. So we can have 2 seats where it might be kids who want to sit next to each other and still be able to pass through and have an open area here. I can also move one of those seats to the far end. So, you know, when the kids are fighting and picking at each other, we all know that. So this is from our friends over at Luminous. We have a tire carrier and rear ladder. On this one, we put a Luminous backpack on. They happen to mount one of their boxes on this, but the backpack is really versatile. The box could come off. You could mount all kinds of accessories. Vertical bike racks, ski racks, a whole plethora of items that they offer to be put on that backpack. As we mentioned before, in this van, we have our platform bed and storage below. There they put a storage cabinet which opens to the inside, so they have a little bit more inside cabinet storage. Another choice we made here was we have our systems cabinets on either side. So this cabinet is housing our inverter and our lithium batteries. The cabinet over here is housing our water tank and water systems. In some of these vans, we would typically have one of these 2 cabinets be a lower cabinet. And that's so that if I did put bicycles in, a handlebar could pass over the top of that cabinet to give me more space. And I put a little more L-track for fork mounts and other items in here. In this one, they chose to do more cabinet space. So I do have some really nice storage here that's more closed off. So if I open these cargo nets up, I have a huge amount of storage up there where I can put items, loose items, so they won't be rolling around the inside of the van. Another thing back here on all our vans, exterior shower. So this is a standard thing. So whether or not you use that as a shower, this van happens to have an inside shower as well. So they may not use this as a shower very often, but it is an excellent option to be able to just wash off muddy boots, wash the sand off your feet. In my case, wash off the kids, wash off the dog. Hooking up your exterior shower, you have a little T-type connection here. You open it up, go ahead and put it in. I turn it left to engage it. I do have a water pump switch here and at the sink, so make sure my water pump is on. And then I have water pressure, outside shower. All right, so that's our Canyon Series C3 floor plan. A really comfortable plan, great garage space, built-in bathroom, big kitchen area. Give us a call at Field Van if this van's for you, or you want to talk vans or create your own plan. That's what we do, create your adventure. Check out our website, fieldvan.com. We'll see you next time.